I'm Jack from Achevas. We conduct weekly A-level H2 math tuition and crash courses. Do check out our super duper awesome service at www.achevas.com. I was an okayish student in my secondary and JC, but when I got into the university, things changed for me dramatically. It's cause I've got into the Dean's List and maintained there every semester. This gave me the chance to work with undergraduates who are some of the best in their specializations. And here are 5 quick tips I want to share with you on what I know have helped me and what I've learned from those friends whom I've worked with on how you can study effectively. Simple as they may sound, but not everyone will be able to keep up. Number 1. Be diligent. This point may seem obvious and trite, but the honest truth is there are no shortcut to success, only sure hard work. The only surefire strategy is for us to roll up our sleeves, crack our knuckles, and crack open those notes and textbooks. Leave no stones unturned, and we are talking about a thorough and complete understanding of every topic, every subtopic, every section, and every subsection. Investing the time and effort required to understand the subjects you are studying thoroughly will pay off in the long run. As Louis Pasteur wisely said, chance favors the prepared mind. With a firm grasp of the concept and the facts at your fingertips, you will be ready at any curveball the examiner decides to throw at you. And number 2, be disciplined. Studying is an arduous task in and of itself, but factor in CCA, project group meetings, and the gazillion other things that you have going on, it seems to acquire an almost Herculean quality. Your best bet is to draw up a realistic study schedule or plan and stick to it. For best results, it should be customized according to your personal needs and learning style. Keep in mind that for most of us, shorter time blocks are easier to schedule, and they are also more sustainable options than long time blocks. By breaking up study time into blocks, you automatically create breaks so that the mind has time to recharge, thereby keeping productivity at optimal levels. Another useful tip is to mix it up. A change in topic or subject is a good way to regain one's lost attention. And number 3, eliminate digital distractions. In the age of social media, many networking sites such as Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, they clamor incessantly for our attention. In fact, individuals who are very active on social media platforms are said to be in a state of continuous partial attention, meaning to say that at any given time, they are unable to devote their full attention to tasks at hand. Many of us are guilty of the above. So let's make a collective effort to unglue ourselves from our smartphone, and with our phones out of our reach, we are less likely to check obsessively for the latest updates and more likely to get work done. Number 4, demonstrate your understanding by sharing your knowledge with classmates and friends. While this might seem counterintuitive at first glance, the idea is that by teaching and sharing, our conceptual understanding is reinforced in the process. Additionally, any areas of deficiency will be brought to attention and can be rectified accordingly. As an added bonus, if you get the reputation of being the smart one in the group, you'll get the challenging questions thrown at you, which means more opportunity for learning. I have a uni friend who was also on the Dean's List, even told me that this was his only strategy when preparing for exams. Number 5, be determined. Setbacks are inevitable in every life journey. Even when it seems like you have reached the impasse, take a break, regroup, and try again. Try approaching things from another angle. Often than not, a change in perspective brings new insight. Never give up. Giving up means you fail right then and there, whereas so long as you don't throw in the towel, you still have a fighting chance. The key is not to be afraid of making mistakes. John Maxwell, author of Failing Forward, puts it the best. The more you do, the more you fail. The more you fail, the more you learn. The more you learn, the better you get. Think about it, it's far better to fail early in the early study process rather than on the day of exam. Once again, I'm Jack Ng from Achevas. We conduct weekly A-level H2 math tuition and crash courses. Appreciate your thumbs up. Please subscribe to our channel and let's continue to learn math better.